Welcome to my trap house. Step lightly.
If in doubt, just blow it up.
Let's have some real fun.
League of Legends, or LOL for short, stands as a MOBA game crafted by Riot Games. Unveiled in 2009, it evolved into one of the globe's most sought-after esports titles. Given the game's emphasis on teamwork, enabling voice chat is a must for seamless communication with teammates. In today's video, I'll walk you through using a voice changer to add a touch of humor to your in-game conversations, just like the quirky intro you witnessed. To get started, we'll need to download and install HitPaw Voice Changer. Check the description for the download link. Once the software is up and running, click on the Settings button to choose your microphone and speaker sources from the respective drop-down menus. Then go to Real-Time Voice Interface. There are classic and AI voice effects to choose. Note that AI voice is only accessible if your computer is equipped with NVIDIA graphics memory of 4G or above. Anyhow, pick your desired voice, toggle on the Hear Myself button, and test out the sound effect.
Let's have some real fun.
Next, dive into League of Legends. Click on Settings, navigate to the Voice tab, and select HitPaw Virtual Audio as your input device. Now, you're all set to have a blast with your teammates.
No one will stand in my way.
And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you encounter any issues with the software, feel free to drop a comment. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.